want to show you how well our rain gutter system's doing. So here we are about 3 months later, and I haven't had to fill up this trough once. It's filled itself from the rain gutter and the rain barrel over there. And here's some marigolds we planted from seeds, and here's some asparagus. You see how tall and lush it is. Doing great. Now compare that with the asparagus over here in the box. Same stuff, but not as much water. We've watered every day, every day. That's gonna grow, but it's gonna take longer. So I really like this rain gutter system. Don't you? It works.
Look at them roots.
Now let me show you how this part over here is doing. Remember how it started? We cut it all the way down. We moved all the daylilies out, and it was all black dirt and mud that we were keeping the dogs out of. Well, here's our eggplant, which I don't know if I'm gonna like or not, but man, they are doing well. There's a big one under here, and there's another one growing here, and a little one starting here, and another one here, and a big one down here. And then there's another row in back. And over here, we have our cucumber trellis. Now if you look close at the trellis, you see how I put it together. I was gonna do big 2x4s and build this big sturdy thing, and then the Lord gave me an idea. You don't need a sturdy big thing, you got a big sturdy house. All you gotta do is wire it up, and look how it's doing. And now we can't keep up with the cucumbers. So this is doing great. So here's our rain gutter system on our deck. We got all these peppers, and over here on the end, we had lettuce, but the lettuce was doing great. And then in 2 days, these little tiny green worms ate it all up and killed it. But if those worms hadn't come in, the lettuce would have been great. But look at those peppers. And I haven't watered those at all. Alright, well there's our garden for you and how that rain gutter system is doing. Now let's get back to some fun. Emmett, come on, ready?